So, there. That's a little more steady. I woke up and these guys are chopping down this tree right in the house across the block, right across the street. And man, no way in hell you'd get me to do that. That guy's up there on a post with a chainsaw. And just watch this. He's chopping these branches off. And this is the craziest shit you've ever seen in your life. Yeah, see this? Can you see it? You can't really see it. See that rope? He's pulling the rope up and he ties it around the tree so that when it falls, it'll hopefully fall straight down. And then, right, they got a truck grinding it up. Watching this reminds me of this movie. My friend Corey Goddard, shout outs to him. He showed me this movie. It's called Tucker and Dale versus Evil or something like that. And there's this scene with the wood chipper, and the guy jumps in head first into the wood chipper, he literally jumps in head first into the wood chipper. And the guy, the cops show up at his house, and he's just like, these police, or these just kids just were all over my property and started killing themselves. Such a good movie. You gotta check it out if you've never seen it. Okay, come on, man. Chop one of these things down. It didn't take you 2 minutes before. Look how quick. Okay, here you go. See this? Got chainsaw. Oh, shit. Oh, there goes a piece. He's sad. He wants it to fall. That was the greatest reaction. He just stood back and looked at it. Oh, come on, buddy. You can do it. Don't be camera shy. Oh, there's a plane. Shoutouts to the plane. Good shot. How often is that gonna happen? The dude's chopping down a tree. Oh, see the branch? That's cool. There it goes way over there. Bye, plane. See you later. Come on, bro. You can do it. Oh, we're going back up. He wants some more. Oh, shit. Look, he's gonna cut off that log. Oh, boom! You can hear it. There was a piece on the top, right up there. He cut down and you heard it. Man, it was fucking loud. Imagine when he starts to cut all this stuff in the middle. It'll be boop, 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 like lightning or something. Ooh. Oh. Oh, bus. Worst bus of all time. So inconsistent. It's always later, it's always early. That's how inconsistent it is. like how there's a dude. There's a dude over there chilling watching it too. Get your phone out, man. Put it on YouTube. Become famous. Oh. Man, it must be fucking hot up there. I'm in my apartment and it's really hot.